Hey, it's Sean with Price and Price Realtors with this week's market report. We saw some significant activity in the inventory side of the market, and the buyer side of the market stayed pretty steady compared to last week. So let's go straight to the graph and see what was going on. So if you look here, you can see again the orange line is the buyer activity, and this week it was up by 1% versus last week. And then the blue line, this is our inventory activity report, and the inventory actually decreased by 21%. So this gap that was created here actually moved the market into a stronger seller's market. So if you look over here at buyer's market versus seller's market, you can see that we had an uptick in the activity moving us into the seller's market side. Now, if you look at this, of course, this is the 7-day activity report, so there's going to be ups and downs. So we want to look at what's kind of trending to see where we think the market is and what's going on with it. So if you look here, you can see that market activity was on a sharp increase. And then about 6 weeks ago, it began to kind of level off with a slight downturn. So this is the softening of the market that we've been talking about in the last few videos. And if you look over here, you can see that we had a strong seller's market, and then we kind of softened down to a neutral market. So the market activity is still pretty strong, but the competition is not as intense as it was previously. So the market does feel a little bit slower and a little bit softer. We expect this to continue for maybe another couple weeks until everybody starts getting back from vacation, school starts up, and everybody starts settling in. We kind of expect the market to take its general and traditional uptick in September and October, which is normal for the Northern Virginia market. So it's going to be interesting to see how that happens. But right now, we are certainly in a buyer's window. This is an opportunity to get out there, put some offers in, get a chance to get a property without a lot of competition. From the seller's aspect of it, prices are not going down. Everything is still going at or above ask. They're just sitting a couple days longer, and there's just not as much competition, but prices are not decreasing. So that's important for sellers to understand. It's also important for buyers to understand that if you're thinking about sitting back and waiting longer, prices are still going up. Maybe not as steeply as they were a few weeks ago, but they are still increasing. So it is still costing you to wait at this point. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to let us know, and we'll see you on next week's video. Have a great day.